Well, the electrical problem was that pretty simple. This little plug wasn't pushed in quite as far as it should have been. Not a very serious problem. Now we're continuing with early stages of our cut of the ergo button. I'm going to come over here. Hopefully you can see the business side of what we're doing. I'm going to be cutting this piece of metal right now. I'm drilling a hole in it, so I got to start the machine. There we go. And I'm going to let this thing warm up a little bit. That cover needs to be at that angle. And I might find a better angle for you. Let's come over here, and maybe this will even go better. Kind of, not so much exactly. How about over to here? Let's try that. Okay. Hole gets drilled in this. It's pretty simple. You bring the machine kind of tight, like this, lock down. Now we come in, and we have to go deep enough so that that slide can really sit in there and seat. So all I did was cut a little round hole right there. Okay? Now, that hole has to be in the exact right place, and it must be deep enough. Okay. Oh my. Okay, let's take a look. We're going to come over here. I'll bring you with me. Okay, so it's extremely snug. I like that. Okay? But it needs to be a little bit deeper because it's not quite seating. It's not quite seating. It's very close to seating. You want it very, very snug. Okay? But it's got to be deep enough or you're going to have a problem. So we go right back to our game again. Lock down here, start. And there we go. Okay. We're coming in here. I'm just going to cut a little deeper. Okay. Coming out here. Coming out here. Why am I turning it off? I have to fit this in here and make absolutely sure it is. Yeah, I think I can show this to you now. I think I can. That blade, okay? This blade of the slide must insert all the way in, and you'll see it does right now. So we're done with that part, and you know, I'm not unhappy with that. And now there is a lot of starting and stopping, because you know you want to measure or check everything you're doing, lest you do it wrong. Okay, so now we're going to shape the button. And this will be fun. We're going to use two types of cutting tools. I'm going to start another video.